Hey everybody, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to add a video into your Seesaw. So this will be handy if, for example, you are doing a screen recording and you need to add the recording you made of your screen onto a Seesaw activity. So that's actually what we're going to be doing here. So I have a video that I just recorded. And now that I'm ready to add it to my Seesaw, to this activity, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the camera icon on the left side, and I'm going to press on it. And it gives me the option of adding a photo or adding a video or upload. Now, this is really important because the photo and the video options, this is what you would use if you want to record something right now. So this is not what I want to do. I've already recorded the video, so I need to take what I've already recorded and put that into Seesaw. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to choose the upload option. So I'm going to press that, and you'll see that it opens my photos. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press on the first option that says recent. Press on that, and then you'll see that it will give me the list of photos and videos that are on my iPad. And actually, the most recent one that I've done will be the last one on the list. So that's actually the video that I want. So I just need to press on it. And then it'll say one video selected, and then I can press this little mini green check mark. And you'll see it's going to upload. It might take a minute depending on how long your video is. And now here is my video. And I can press with my finger and hold to drag it around or grab one of the corners and resize it. Do whatever I need to do to make it fit on the page that I want it to. So that is how to upload a video into Seesaw. And I hope you found this video helpful.